sweet day, such a beautiful dream. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Peter who lived with his parents in a village on the hillside. His parents were like everybody else in the village. Yes, they were sheep farmers. And when Peter was 10 years old, he was considered old enough to be taking care of the sheep. But Peter was too easily bored, and he found it very tiresome being on the hillside with just sheep accompanying him. What a hot day today is, and I'm just eating here with y'all sheep. I just wish I could do something better in my life. So he tried to find ways to amuse himself by running up rocks, climbing trees, chasing the sheep. Whoa! But nothing seemed to amuse him something very long, until he came up with a brilliant idea. Do you know what it is, everyone? Okay, here's what he did. He climbed up to the tallest tree, and then he tried to shout towards the village. Whoa! Whoa! Someone heard the shout from the village. Then he brought all of the other men together, and they're all armed with axes, hoes, shovels, and forks, and they ran as fast as they could into the hillside. Can you guess what they got there? Yes, they got no wolf. All they got is just the sheep grazing peacefully and just Peter sitting high up in the tree just laughing. I tricked you guys. And everybody was very annoyed by Peter. But they couldn't do anything. Then, for a while, life went on again as normal. And people already forgot about the incident. Peter managed to behave himself every time it is his turn to be taking care of the sheep. Then until one day, he got very bored again. So he decided to do the exact same thing that he did before. He climbed up to the tallest tree and then shouted at him, "Whoa! Whoa!" Sure enough, someone heard the shout again from the village. And then they brought all of the other men together, armed with axes, hoes, forks, shovels, torches, and even sticks. And they ran lickety-split into the hillside to save their sheep and the poor little shepherd boy. Imagine what they felt when they arrived there, just seeing the sheep grazing peacefully, and just Peter sitting high up in the tree, laughing even more uncontrollably. I tricked you guys again. Then, for a while, people started moaning about Peter and his tricks. But before long, things settled down again. And Peter managed to behave himself for real this time, because he didn't want to upset everybody all the time. And then until one day, he noticed that the sheep were getting nervous. Peter didn't know what was happening that time, but he knew for sure that there was something wrong. So he decided to climb up a tree again. And then he looked around. And then what he saw almost made him fall out of the tree. He saw a great, big, hairy wolf. And Peter was very speechless that moment. He saw the wolf chasing the sheep, biting at their legs, snapping at their tails. Ooh. And then Peter decided to shout to the village, "Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!" Can you guess what was the villagers' reaction to the shout? They were just merely shaking their heads and saying, "Oh, that Peter." Nobody really knew that there was actually a wolf this time.
Peter was just sitting high up in the tree, just whimpering. Then he found out that everyone finally knew